In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on iPhone in an easy step-by-step process. I'm Lisa from Create Log and Delete. After watching this video, if your problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Firstly, unlock your lock screen by using your Face ID or passcode. After that, long press on your lock screen in this way and then tap on this plus icon. Here we go. Now over here you can find different wallpapers for your lock screen. You can select from the featured or suggested photos from your gallery or photos shuffle or from astronomy or emojis or different collections or colors. Here I will be selecting from emojis. Here I go, I will be selecting this one, flowers. After you are done, tap on add given at the top right corner and then tap on set as wallpaper pair. Now it is set. In this way, you can easily change lock screen wallpaper on iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen and I will see you there.